friends, welcome to my channel ரோஜாவனம். இன்னையோட டாபிக் என்னன்னா ஸ்பீச் அபவுட் காமராஜர் யூகேஜி லெவல். ஓகேவா? ஹெட்டிங் பார்க்கலாம். First point, a very good morning to the principal, teachers and my dear friends. Second point, I am Rojavanam studying UKG. Third point, Kamarajar was born on 15th July 1903 in Virudhunagar, Tamil Nadu. Fourth point, his father's name was Kumarasamy. His mother's name was Sivagami Ammai. Fifth point, Kamarajar was the CM of Tamil Nadu from 1954 to 1963. Sixth point, during this time, he opened primary school in every village, secondary school in every panchayat. Seventh point, he introduced free school up to 11th standard and midday meal. Eighth point, he developed agriculture and industries. Ninth point, major dam built in his period. Bhavani, Manimuttar, Aliyar, Amravati, Vaigai, Sattanur, Krishnagiri, Pullambadi and V2 Dam. 10th point, he was widely known as kingmaker in Indian politics. 11th point, Kamarajar passed away on 2nd October 1975. 12th point, he was awarded with Bharat Ratna posthumously in 1976. Thank you. வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். அடுத்த வீடியோவில் மீட் பண்ணலாம். பாய்.